stuff. He pushes it in and everything. Let's see if he tries to cover it like he did before. Can you see that what he's doing from there? Can you see the toy and stuff?
I think so.
Now he's trying to cover it up with his nose, his sand or whatever. It's so funny. It must be instinct, you know?
Nut. Put on YouTube.
6 years in the military, so I can join Navy Federal too.
Dog buries toy in chair.
So now he can drive himself to laser tag.
It's a real sport.
No,
4 million members, 4 million
Hey David, there's a bow there that has elastic on it.
He's pushing sand up on it now.
Very.
We can see you, Carl. We can totally see you.
Come on, you're better than this. All that prowling around.
Yeah, you're the king of the jungle.
Have you thought about going vegan, Carl?
You know, folks keep saying hundreds of dollars by pushing the guy, go, sure, I'll have